So these guys are ready for their water, right? You ready for your water? All right. So I have a 5-gallon auto water dispenser for them. This says you're supposed to use 1 capful per 32 ounces, so 5 gallons. It will be 20 capfuls I need to pour inside of here. I'm going to go right ahead and fill this all the way up to, pour it all the way to the top. So now I'm going to fill up my first capful, which I made a mess, over full, but it's very clear. That's 1 down, 19 to go. So this does come with a little peel off tab when you first receive it, but overall, I mean, I do brush my dog's teeth as well, so I am seeing a difference while using this. So I'm gonna get a bigger size because I wanted to get a smaller size just to try it out, and it seems to be doing a good job so far. So I am liking it. Their breath isn't as stinky as it was before. So yeah, I'm really loving this product.